Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Block Bull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now today we're going to visit the charts, and we're also predominantly going to focus on Xcn, the Onyx coin, because we do have the ratification and the implementation and also the adoption of the new Xcn ledger. So this is going to be massive, guys, and this wedge has been playing out over on the charts for the past couple of weeks now. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick glance of what's going on now. Currently on the 1 hour chart, but if we was to zoom out onto the 4 hour, you can see exactly what is going on. And you guys that are already subscribed to the channel, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and like the channel. It does help us out massively. We can continue delivering exceptional content and giving you the probabilities in terms of the TA, which has been showcased on the charts. Now, you guys that are subscribed to the channel will realize that this is a 75 to 85% chance of a breakout now, and you can see where Xcn, the Onyx coin, is trading now. We are literally at the tip of the apex. Now, there's so many different variations in the ways you can draw these pennants. Okay, obviously it depends on the sort of time frame you're looking at. This is a 4 hour. Obviously, you got 3 hour, 1 hour. You can kind of zoom into it, guys. Okay, but we are literally now, this is the Onyx protocol now. So this is the official app website. Okay, so adopt and ratify Onyx L3, Xcn Ledger, and white paper. So you can see here it's been created, active, it's succeeded as well. So I was expecting a breakout on Friday, guys. The reason being is because that was all ratified. Now, I was unaware that there will be an executable sort of time frame, so that we're going to take 2 days. Now, out of those 2 days, we are now into the final remaining hours. Now you can see this countdown in live time as I'm actually recording this video. We're looking at 3 hours and 53 minutes. So this is looking epic, guys. If there's ever a trade to be made, at the end of the day, it all comes down to the risk to reward element. Okay, and Onyx right now, double pennant is probably the best probabilities in the game that you're going to get if you are to succeed in crypto. Okay, if you're hodling the bag, whether you're trading, it doesn't really matter. These are the moves that make you the most money. Yeah, so we've had all this sort of consolidation phase, so I can just measure this out from the sort of top. So we began consolidation and marked that high there around 5 cents. Just shy of 5 cents, and that was 26. That was Sunday, the 26th of January, and ever since we've been in this sort of prolonged sort of consolidation phase. So you can see here, this has taken 90 bars. That's 15 days in total. So we've had, just over 2 weeks worth now of consolidation. I don't feel like that is that bad. 2 weeks of consolidation. Some cryptos got years. For example, like XRP's had 6-7 years of creating that macro symmetrical wedge, where we got that breakout at the time of US elections around the 5th of November. Okay, so this to me can run up massively. I'm targeting anywhere up to like sort of 10 cents, and we'll revisit the sort of targets this week in the upcoming video. So again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But ultimately, I want to give a shout out as well to the new partners and the new sponsors of the crypto channel. The link will be down below in the description. But this is absolutely mega, guys. This is Supedia.io. Okay, so this is the ultimate learning hub. Learn, earn, and grow. So you guys can make money, okay? And there's literally 2 packages. It's very simplistic. You guys can have a look. It's got all this sort of amazing content. So if you guys have got an entrepreneurial mindset, you're always looking to make money. If you're a hustler in the game, you're not just dependent on crypto, then be my guest. Check these guys out. Like I said, link below in the description. So you got all this content here, and you can access all this content for $14 per month. You got Notion templates. They've got absolutely everything here. Okay, guys, and if I was to scroll up here, you can check both the plans out. So if you click on Limitless tab up here, you've got a monthly package here. So that's $14 a month. That'll gain you access to the downloadable library. So you can download pretty much what you want except from the premium content. However, there is a year's plan. This is a yearly plan. Okay, so obviously over a 12-month period, you are saving money. So that gets you 12 months. Not only does it get you 12 months, like a year's worth of access, you also get the premium content, and there is a crypto masterclass involved in this limitless pro content. Okay, so if you was to sign in, I'm already signed in, guys. There you go. It's all personalized as well. The Block Bull, you guys can check out, books, videos, audio, templates. So they're all here now. So these are the masterclasses. So this is what you get extra. You can pay for these individually if you just want to trial the $14 per month package. So you could pay the $14 per month, and then you can access the course individually. I think the Trader's Edge, for example, if you are into crypto, if you just go along here, the Crypto Trader's Edge, I think that's $29, guys. So if you click on that, you can purchase that. It will then give you a sort of 8 modules, 29 lessons. Obviously, I've gained access to it because I paid for the 129. Okay, and the reason being is you can also make money off this as well. So every time someone clicks on your link, you can actually earn as an affiliate. So again, you can sign in there, guys. It gives you all the information there. So this is what I mean. You can earn up to $64 per sale. Okay, so again, if you're on the $14 per month, you can get basically paid 30% commission on all referrals. Whereas if you've got the Limitless Pro, where if you pay for that year subscription, 129, you get the masterclasses, which you'd have to pay extra if you was just on the basic plan. But you now get 50%, yeah. So this is what enables this $64 per month, per sale, should I say, sorry. Okay, now if you're making $64 per sale, you only have to make 2 or 3 sales per day, and then you've basically replaced a full-time income. Okay, guys, so it's something to look into. Again, guys, you can just trail it with the $14 a month. So in my view, that is highly recommendable in my view. Like I said, link below in the description. However, getting back to the Onyx coin now, Onyx coin is looking massive. Like I say, we've got less than 4 hours now before we break out. So I will be looking at sort of Fibonacci targets as well and plotting these this week. I've discussed as many sort of variations, but ultimately I was looking at around 8-9 cent, looking to be conservative. But I feel as though these double bull pennants do not come along often. Okay, so I am targeting slightly more around 13 sort of cent, around this sort of level. 11 to 13 cent is what I'm targeting, guys. So this is ultimately where we earn the bag. It is scary times because we could see a sort of breakdown of this bull pennant, but for me, 15 to 25% chance of that happening. I'm willing to take the risk, guys. This is where we're going to make our money. Now, let's just plot the fibs in here. You can take these weekly highs up here all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so ultimately, we could be targeting up here at all-time highs around 17, 18 cent. Okay, but for me, I like to marry up the sort of price action and the data. So all this price action that's printed out over the years, I like to marry these up. And the sort of significant price action is this wick here. And obviously these wicks up here before we go into the bear market. Yeah, we've had a wick around here. So I try and accommodate these wicks as the best to my ability. Yeah, so this wick down here, I'm going to try and marry this wick up as well. Yeah, somewhere along that sort of line. And that's kind of the shelf really before we actually rolled over, yeah, into that prolonged bear market. So I'd be saying 8-9 cent is obviously conservative. And again, it just depends on how much risk you guys want to take on ultimately. But I do believe even if we are conservative, I can make measurements, yeah, just from current price action. So I'll say we're trading around 2.5 cent around this sort of section here. Very, very sensitive. Even if it was to get up to about 9 cents, let's go up a little bit. 9 cent, you're talking around 250% gains. Yeah, so what's that? 3.5x. And then if you was to get up to sort of 15, 16, 15 is 500x, 500%, sorry, that's a 6x. And ultimately, if you're targeting all-time highs up here, which is not out of the equation, even the weekly high, you're talking 572%. So that is absolutely massive, guys, yeah? Absolutely massive in terms of rewards. And then once we do collect the cheddar from the Onyx coin, then we can look at rotating into other crypto. So this crypto is going to pay out in my view. We are about to hit the jackpot. I know it's taken a little bit longer. It's been a little bit, frustrating holding the bag. But ultimately, we've only been in consolidation for 15 days. So a 2-week wait for 3, 4, 5x. It's not bad. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, guys, in the meantime, like I said, you can check out Supedia.io, link below in the description, and you can get going for as little as $14 per month, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. I will be back here tomorrow. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I've been the Block Bull. Until next time, Block Bull is over and out.